Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about 7 almost perfect foundations. Let's just jump straight in. The first one, and this is Synchro Skin Radiant Lifting Foundation. And this is that's my eye, there we go. This is a beautiful, beautiful foundation by Shiseido. I've done a review on it. It looks radiant and beautiful and glorious on the skin. It is truly brilliant. Oh, I've forgotten one. I'll find it. It'll be 8. Okay, the next one. This was Holy Grail status for a decade. Ellis Fast. It is a really beautiful foundation. The Shiseido one, by the way, is light to medium coverage, about medium. Ellis Fast is definitely medium. Again, a very beautiful radiant finish to it. The next one I love, but there's just too little product in there, but it's really good. Charlotte Tilbury, and this is beautiful skin foundation. It does look like skin, it's wonderful, but you get 30 mils in there, and this is a very light coverage foundation, so you're gonna burn through it, and that's a problem. RCMA, their liquid foundation is wonderful. Comes in a whole host of different colors, and it's just the most beautiful finish on the skin. I've done a review on all of these. This is a great one. You get really little product in here, but it lasts forever, so it kind of makes you feel like you've got more. This is by Blasco, and it is the cream foundation. That's olive beige one, and that would be a really good match for my skin tone. And it is a great foundation, sheer to full maximum coverage, wonderful. For those who want to use a really full coverage one, again, sheer to maximum coverage, MAC full coverage foundation, which is really just select concealer in massive format. It is excellent. And again, you can use this as a concealer. Let me find that other one. Okay, so here it is. This is L.YS, and this is the Triple Fix Serum Foundation, which I did a review on, and it is beautiful. It does go on like a serum. It looks beautiful on the skin, and it is one of the best liquids I've ever tried. And to finish off, obviously, this is depotted, but RCMA have a huge color range, sheer to maximum coverage, and they just look so beautiful on the skin. They really do. And they have been in my kit now for 15 plus years. Pretty much that would be the only cream foundation that I would use, and I do tend to prefer creams, although I will say that L.YS and Shiseido are running a close second in terms of just beautifulness on the skin. Thank you for watching. Let me know what your favorite liquid is in the comment section. I'll have a peruse. Thanks so much. Bye bye.